Hello, this is Eric from yourmarketonline.com, and we're here to give you a little update on how to edit content on your RE/MAX website. So first thing that you need to do is you need to log into your website, and once you log in, you'll see the control panel here where you can make several edits to the pages and the content on those pages. So specifically to go in and change the content on the pages, what you'll need to do is you'll need to first go to Site Content. Once you are on Site Content, you'll see a list of all of your pages and buttons that you have on your website that are the controls to where your clientele is going to search through. So when you want to edit the content on one of those pages, what you need to do is you need to find the page that you're looking for. So for this instance, we're going to use this preferred vendors page right here. And what you need to do is once you find that page, you will select Edit Page. And then once that populates, you'll have all of your content here on the page, and you'll have an editor that you'll recognize some of the options from Microsoft Word or a Microsoft program that you're used to working with, such as your bold, italicized, underlines, and then it gives you some options for changing the style of the information on your page, as well as it gives you some font options here and font sizes. There's several other things that you can do, like add tables, and in this instance you'll see that we have a table here with boxes that you can put information in to organize it a little easier. And there'll be other options as well for pasting information from, say, Microsoft Word or some text document. So once you open this page up, and you'll see in these boxes here that there's some information already in there, but it's really as easy as just typing in the content you want. So in this box we're just going to type in, for example, new content, and you'll add that content in here. Now just for instance, just want to show you a couple of things real quick. When you hit enter after your new content, you're going to see that there's a space in between new content and new content 1, and that space you can't get rid of. So really there's only one way to do that, so it'll be nice and even like it is up here. The best way to do that is open up Notepad. Notepad comes with Microsoft Word and is a really great tool in order to remove any type of formatting that's automatically put in. So when you have this double space right here within the content, the best way to take care of that double space is just you can copy or cut out the content. So what we'll do here is we'll select it and then hit Control X, and Control X copies and or cuts the content out. And when we open up our Notepad, we'll do Control V, which is pasting. And then what we're going to do is we're going to remove that space in between the two. And it'll also remove any other format they have on there. So it'll remove text sizes, text fonts, text if there are headers or any other kind of format that's associated with it. So what I'm going to do from the Notepad, now that I've pasted it in here, I've removed that space, I'm going to copy it again. So I'll hit Control C, and then I'll go back to my RE/MAX site and go back into this cell right here, and I'll hit Control V. And what that does is it pastes it exactly back in here without that space in between there. And then once I've done that, I can go ahead and change the font size. I can change the format to, let's say, paragraph style, or I can actually remove that and do change that to a header. However you want to do that, and that will change the look of that content. So that's a little tip on how to edit the content within your RE/MAX website, and look for more videos to come.